Sensibility and practicality define the 2015 Ford Fiesta. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.